So, good morning, class. Before we start, in 30 seconds, please pick all the chairs and put all the things under your chair. So, thank you. So, before we start, let me request all of you to please stand up. And Miss Charlene, can you lead the prayer first?
In the name of the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit, Amen. Lord, please guide us this day. Please give us enough knowledge to understand the lesson today. Also, please give our teachers strength, knowledge, and patience to deliver the lesson. Please also guide our family, friends, and all the people in this earth in their everyday lives. Amen.
So, again, good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
So, before we start the discussion, Secretary, can you please report the attendance?
Good morning, sir. Good morning, classmates. I'm proud to report that everyone is present today.
So, very good class. So, thank you, Miss Lovely. So, is anybody here still remember our lesson yesterday?
Yes, sir.
So, what is the lesson I discussed yesterday? Anybody?
Sir.
Yes, Mr. Arjen?
Sets po, sir.
Okay. What was the lesson all about?
Sir.
You, Margie?
A set is a collection of elements or numbers or objects represented within the curly brackets.
Okay, very good. And now we will proceed to our lesson for today. But before that, I want you to answer this word or crossword puzzle. So, Miss Charlene Barrios, can you please look for a word here in a crossword puzzle? Go to the word. Here's the job. Sequence, very good. You, Miss Dakis? Okay, very good. How about
Sir.
Mr. Rigor? What else?
Me again, sir.
See you again, Mr. Rigor.
Sir.
See you, Mr. Lee. What else? Okay, because you didn't see this, we also have the word sum here, and that's all. Based on the crossword puzzle, what do you think is our lesson for today?
Sir.
Yes, Miss Kai?
Arithmetic sequence, sir.
Okay, very good. Our lesson for today is all about arithmetic sequence. So, first, what is arithmetic sequence? Arithmetic sequence is a sequence where the difference of any two consecutive terms are constant. The constant between the any terms are called common difference. And for you to have a better understanding about this, I will give you an example. So, for example, we have a given 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on. As you can see in this given, there's a 3 dot here, and simply means that this sequence is endless, and it called infinite
Sequence.
sequence. Oh. So for you to know the common difference of this pattern, you have to subtract the fourth term to the third term to the second term, and first term to the second term. Like this. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 3 minus 1 is also equal to 2. Therefore, the common difference of this sequence is 2. And this sequence is arithmetic, because based on the meaning of arithmetic sequence, the difference here are constant. So, do you understand, class?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any question?
None, sir.
Okay. Very good. So, I'll give you a next example. So, we have 15, 25, 35, and 45. As you can see, this sequence doesn't have 3 dot at the end. Simply means that this sequence will start at 15 and it will end up at 45 only. So this sequence is called finite sequence. Okay, same procedure as this. We have to subtract the fourth term to the third to the second, and second to the first. So 45 minus 35 is equals to 10. 35 minus 25 is also equals to 10, and 25 minus 15 is also equal to 10. Therefore, this sequence is arithmetic sequence, and we have common difference of 10. So, do you understand, class?
Yes, sir.
Any question?
None,
sir.
Okay, let's proceed. Now, how about we are looking for the end term of the sequence? Do you have any idea on how to find it?
No, sir.
Okay, in finding the end term of the sequence, we have the formulated formula, and that is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times v, where a sub n is our end term. Our a sub 1 is our first term. And our n is the number of terms. And our d is the common difference. Yeah. For you to have a better understanding about this formula, I will be giving you an example. So, find the 14th term of the sequence of the sequence 5, 7, 9, 11, and so on. So, as you can see in this example, we are looking for the 14th term. So, simply means that we will use this formula. So, write the formula. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times t. Okay, class, always remember that if you are solving an equation, always write the formula first for you to memorize and become familiar to the formula. So after that, because we are looking for the 14th term, so our a sub n is missing, and it will become a sub 14. So our a sub 1 is equal to 5 because 5 is our first term. So our n is equal to 14 because we are looking for the 14th term. And our common difference is equal to, we have to subtract, of course, 11 minus 9 is equals to 2, 9 minus 7 is equals to 2, and 7 minus 5 is equals to 2. Therefore, our common difference is 2. So after we look what is missing, we have to substitute all the given variables. So a sub 14 is equal to 5 plus 14 minus 1 times
2.
2. Yeah. So we have to solve it now. So a sub 14 is equals to 5 plus 13 times 2. So simplify. So if a sub 14 is equals to 5 plus 13 times 2 is equals to 26. So 26 plus 5 is equals to 31.
31.
And that is our a sub 14. Therefore, the 14th term of the sequence 5, 7, 9, 11 is 31. And that's the procedure when using the formula in finding the n term. Do you understand, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we have, let's proceed to the second example. So find the 10th term of the sequence 4, 7, 10, 13, and so on. As you can see also, we are looking for the n term. So our a sub n now is become a sub 10. And that is missing. Our a sub 1 here is
4.
okay, very good. Our n now and this is
10.
10.
10.
yes, very good. Because we are looking for the 10 term, therefore this is our n. So what is the common difference here?
3.
3.
Okay, very good. Because when you subtract 13 to 10 is 3, 10 to 7 is 3, and 7 to 4 is 3. Therefore, the common difference is 3. Like what I've said, write always the formula. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 multiplied by b. And then substitute all the given variables. So a sub 10 is equal to 4 plus 10 minus 1 multiplied by 3. So simplify. A sub 10 is equal to 4 plus 9 multiplied by 3. So a sub 10 is equal to 4 plus 9 times 3.
27, sir.
Okay, 27. And now add it. 27 plus 4 is equal to
31.
Therefore, the 10th term of this sequence is 31. So, any question?
None, sir.
Okay, let's proceed to the next example rather. So, in the arithmetic sequence of five, 9, 13, 17, and so on. Which term is 401? So, as you can see in this example, we are looking here, or the missing here is the n term. So write the missing, n is missing. So our a sub n here is given, which is 401. So a sub n, write 401. And our first term is 5. The common difference, what's the common difference of this?
4.
Yeah. Okay, very good. So, same procedure, write the formula. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus quantity of n minus 1 times b. So, substitute. So, 401 equals to 5 plus n minus 1 times 4. So, this given is hard, right? The things that we need to do is you have to transpose positive 5 to the right, and it will become 401 minus 5 is equal to, we have to multiply n minus 1 before, and it will become 4n minus 1. So, we have now 401 minus 5.
396, sir.
Okay, 396 is equals to 4n minus 4. So, same procedure as what we do in 5. We will transpose it to the right. So, negative 4, it will become?
Positive 4.
Okay, 396 plus 4 is equal to 4n. And we have to add it, so it will become?
400. It's equal to 4n.
Okay, class. So, what do you think is we need to do to eliminate the 4?
We
Divide.
need to divide it by 4, sir.
Okay, very good. We need to divide the both side by 4. So, it cancel. So, our n here is
100.
100. Therefore, 401 is the 100th term of the sequence. Do you understand, class?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any question?
None, sir.
Because everyone understood the discussion. So, who can define the arithmetic sequence, the meaning of it? Yes, you, Miss Margie.
Arithmetic sequence, the difference between one term and the next is a constant.
Okay, very good. And now, who can give me the formulated formula for finding the n term?
Sir,
Yes, Ariel.
a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d.
Okay, very good, Mr. Ariel. And now, who can give me the procedure on how to find out the common difference in the sequence?
Sir,
Yes, Miss Charlene.
by subtracting fourth term to the third term, third term to the second term, and second term to the first term.
Okay, very good. And now, let's test if you really understand the discussion. I'll be giving you an seed word. Or no. You will answer it on the board pala. So,
Okay, sir.
I will call someone who will answer it. Okay? The first question. Find the 44th term in the sequence negative 7, negative 4, negative 3, negative 1, and 2. Who wants to volunteer to answer this?
Sir,
Yes, you, Mr. Rigor. Yes, go to the board. Jerry. Who wants to help Mr. Rigor?
Sir,
You,
Sir.
Charlene.
I think that the given sequence are not arithmetic because the difference is not the same or common.
Okay, very good. So, I'll call you again, Mr. Igor, in another example. So, number 2, find the 100th term in the sequence of 5, 20, 35, 50, and so on. Who wants to volunteer?
Sir.
Yes, Miss Lovely. I think Miss Love, you are struggling to answer that. Wants to answer this question?
Sir, can I try?
Yes, again. Miss Charlene, please try. You don't need to write 100 here. You need to replace n to 100. Yes, Miss Charlene? Okay, very good, Miss Charlene. Do you think that Miss Charlene's answer is correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So how about this question? Who wants to volunteer? This question?
let me try again. No?
Yes, Miss Lovely. Okay, very good, Miss Takis. So, in this given, we are looking for the end term. And Miss Lovely is correct. 300 is the 100th term of this sequence. And I think some of you are struggling to answer this this arithmetic sequence. Though I will
Yes,
give
sir.
another example.
So fun.
So, find the 100 term of the sequence 5, 10, 15, 20, and so on. So, class, what is our A sub n here?
100.
Okay, very good. And we have to replace A sub n to A sub 100 and write the question mark because A sub 100 is missing here. So, what is our A sub 1?
5.
What is our n?
100.
Okay, very good. What's our common difference?
5, sir.
Okay, very good. So, same procedure, write the formula. A sub n is equal to A sub 1 plus n minus 1 times b. So, write A sub 100 is equal to, our A sub 1 is 5, so write 5, plus our n is 100 minus 1 times 5. So we have to write 1 A sub 100 is equals to 5 plus 99 because 100 minus 1 is 99 times 5. So A sub 100 is equals to 5 plus 99 times 5.
Wait lang, sir.
So 99 times 5 is
495, sir.
495. So we have to add it. So A sub 100 is equals to 500. So what is the 100 term of this sequence?
500.
Sir.
Okay, very good. So I think all of you understand this
Yes, sir.
this
Easy
lesson.
peasy.
So I will give you an activity. Please get a one whole sheet of paper and answer the following. Okay, class, read the direction carefully and answer it in 15 minutes. Your timer starts now. Okay, class, are you done?
Yes,
sir.
Okay, pass all the papers forward. So, okay, I will retain your papers tomorrow. For your assignment, I want you to have an advanced study for sum of arithmetic sequence for have a smooth discussion next meeting. So, thank you for a wonderful day. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, sir.